Hello guys, so today we will see this problem. In this front view and top view shown, we will consider O point on left side of diagram. So in front view this is y and z axis, in top view this is y and x axis. So front view will be here in this plane and top view will be in this plane. So along x, y and z axis we will calculate or determine the maximum dimensions. So maximum dimension along x, y and z axis is 56. So width is 76 and height is 20. So we will draw a box of this dimension. From this point, from O point, this is 56. From this point this is 20. From O point this is 76, and from this point this is 20. Now we have to, for this triangle is of 56 length and height is 76. So this is 76. So for height we will take midpoint of this line. So this line is of 56 mm. So from one point we will take 28 mm. Connect this midpoint with this point. So this is a upper surface rectangle, upper surface triangle. Now from upper surface this point, the depth is 20. So parallel to z axis we will take point below this point at 20 mm and draw parallel line to this line, to this side of triangle, from this point to this point. So this triangular box is our actual required box. Now see, from the origin point O, this is origin point O, the point above origin point, then this point is at 22 mm distance at x axis, then again further at 12 mm there is second point. Also this distance is 22, as 56 minus 12 minus 22 is 22. So from this point we will take first 22, then from this point 12 mm, then remaining distance is 22. Now as this line is parallel to axis, so from this point draw line parallel to axis up to triangular side, up to this side. Right, then again this distance is along y axis, this distance is 17. So along y axis take 17 mm, 1.7 centimeter, and then draw line parallel to this line is parallel to x axis. So from draw line parallel to x axis from this point, from triangular face to the opposite triangular side. Then this distance is 12 along y-axis. So along y-axis, on this side of rectangular box, along y-axis, take 12 mm distance from this point. So 12 mm is this, and draw parallel to x-axis from this point. Now remove these lines. Now after taking projection of these points of top view here in front view, we can see that in front view these points has depth of 8 mm. These all points has a depth of 8 mm. So we will draw lines from this point along x-axis equal to 8 mm. So we will take depth of these points along z-axis, depth equal to 8 mm. So 8 mm depth is given like this. Now draw parallel line to the y-axis from these lines. And connect these points. So the line is parallel to this side of triangle. Now see, this line is parallel to side of triangle, this line is parallel to side of this triangle. Make sure that every extension line is parallel to either x, y or z axis. So finally answer should look like this.